Okay, good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, May 17th, Kyushu Institute of Technology, Iizuka campus, third period for English 1C. Let me give you the English instructions for this class. And if you ever have any questions about any of this, you don't understand what I said, well, number one, don't worry. As I always do, I explain this again quickly in Japanese, but you can always contact me at my email address here at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay, now let's get back to week 5. Okay, a couple of pieces of news that I didn't have a chance to put into the content description because I was really pressed for time this morning. Someone has come up to me and told me that the Safe Exam browser does not work properly on that person's computer. And I was thinking about it, do I really need the Safe Exam browser? And I talked to one of my friends who is a Moodle expert. He said, actually, the Safe Exam browser is not a great thing. It's not really the best thing to use to make a really good test. And maybe you should think about not using it. Also, too, for not just this person, but maybe some other people, they can't use the Safe Exam browser. So I'm going to turn off the Safe Exam browser on all of the quizzes. If you've already taken the quiz, no problem, don't worry. I'm just telling you that from now on, you will not need the Safe Exam browser. We will still have quizzes, listening quizzes, reading quizzes, all of that. We will still have the test, the midterm test, the final test, but I will no longer ask you to use the Safe Exam browser. I'll explain that a little bit in Japanese later on. Otherwise, we're going to be doing some shadow talking today, and I hope the speakers are okay. I was kind of surprised that you couldn't hear the audio on my voice too well, but there are a couple of other things that I can try. But here's the audio and the Quizlet and not the Quizlet, sorry, the PDF and the article that we're going to use. For your assignments this week, first, you have your textbook assignment, okay? This textbook assignment here, and the reading quiz exercise right there too. And the reading quiz, like the others will be, I'm going to turn off the Safe Exam browser, and you can take it, I think I gave you guys 3 times. Yeah, you can take it up to 3 times. It's 15 minutes, okay? And the reading quiz basically is based on what we will shadow talk today. So you can do the reading quiz and get a benefit from the shadow talking that we will do. As always, you have a reflection that I want you to do by 11 p.m. tonight, and it's talking about your fluency. The question is down here at the bottom. Whoops. What do you think you need to do to improve your own English fluency? I'm sorry that becomes dark. It becomes dark every time I try to zoom in on it, but go home and take a look at that question. What do you think you need to do to improve your English fluency? Okay, so do that tonight by 2300. Okay, this quiz will close next Tuesday, and your textbook assignment is due this Sunday. Tonight, Sunday, Tuesday. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, today we're going to be doing a lot of talking, a little bit of shadow talking, and hopefully that will help you get into a little bit more of a mood for speaking. Okay, thanks very much, everyone. Let's have a good class.